fail-proof. That's been what, on like a 2-3 month wait. Yeah.
It's snowing. Camaros are nice.
My brother's friend, JT, his friend Mike, his friend just got one of the first ever Camaros, which is a 10-speed automatic.
10-speed?
Automatic. It's thing's nasty. So we're gonna make it right. It's left here. I was gonna say right here. If you want to make a right and go into the river, yeah, go right here. All right, here comes Connor, guys. It's gonna be so great. All right, here we go. Alright, so basically what just happened is I want to get a video of Connor for a Snapchat story. Yo, fucking nailed it!
That was tough.
I want to get a video for Connor.
Oh, we gotta stop at the stop sign, dude.
His Snapchat story on his iPhone. I was fucking recording, I eat fucking shit, and now my knee hurts. I can't walk behind you.
Really
What are you even looking for? You fucking... You're so lucky to break the light. Cause then you have to get a whole new fucking light and your mom would know you did something.
Face? It was some guy in the boulevard hit me.
But it only hit the bottom part of it? How does that make sense? See, it was a Prius. Oh, so you thinking that you're up there? Down the road. What are you even looking at? You got a capo. No, 2-2, that's all you.
What do you got?
I don't know. Right? The dollar store is cool. Dollar store's got everything. Why are you over here? Triple stick makeup. Hairspray. Oh, thank you. Yeah, yours. Yo, it's the whole fucking bumper. It's the whole fucking the bumper. Yo, that's fucked up. Yo, it's here too. That's fucked up. Yo, what are you gonna do? The back's just a little scraped. Yo, this got this. At least it's not like
I have an idea.
falling off. What are you gonna do?
It's not that big of a deal.
What are you gonna do? Dude, you could probably like.
I'm gonna get really like a flamethrower and melt that plastic. I'm gonna buy a spray paint, cover it with this same color spray paint.
So you're gonna get golden. You're gonna get a blowtorch and golden spray paint.
Yeah, that would work.
Well, trying to let me in.
style.